Internazionale Milano, the current Scudetto champions, won. Super scary, dangerous, scintillating, world-class, dark arts. Arsenal lost for ideas. 39 crosses, 10 completed. 0. Another absolute limp, pathetic, weak, spineless performance. No creativity, nothing through the middle again. Mikel Marino, I think he was in court today, Jez. He was standing with his hand on the Bible. I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. And you got people out here crying, "Oh, it weren't handball. His hands up here, mates."
Yeah.
What we doing here? Yeah. Oh, but he should have had a penalty because the keeper punched him. Get out of here. Yeah. We've got people out here crying about refs again because Arsenal can't get their job done. Kenny sat on the show with Potsy yesterday that I was on and said, if Inter Milan score first, we're done. Yep. I predicted 2-0. However, there is a way to lose, Jez. Make sure you follow Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. It'll be in the title. And check out Kenny's fan cam, myself, my fan cam. Matt's coming up next. Emergency meeting after that. Real talk, Jez. We're getting closer to the out.
Shocking. Brest are in 4th position. We're in 12th in the Champions League table. What lead does that tell you?
He didn't manage for 12 years either, by the way. He was the sporting director at Watford after going jail. He then took the job last season, got them into Champions League, and now they're 4th. They play sick football as well. Me and Matty were watching them the other night. They'll bop us off the park if we get them.
It's just the same old. And to be honest with Lee, you know, whilst I was watching that game, I actually had on my TV up there a cooking channel, right? That was more entertaining watching the hairy bikers, you know them.
Oh, I know them, yeah. Oh, they're sick with it, with the beards and all that, yeah.
I mean, sadly,
I watched them. One of them passed away recently, didn't he? Last year, I think, yeah.
Sadly, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sub to them.
It was more entertaining watching that than watching that shit I was watching on my computer. There. That's how boring that was. After 10 minutes, 12 minutes, I thought, do you know, I don't really want to watch this. But I will watch it because I'll be doing a fan cam and all that sort of crap. And, mate, I'm dusty with this club. You know, I'm fed up with it. I'm bored. And worse is yet to come. Yet people can't see it. I see out there tonight people on YouTube giving it all the large and this, that, and the other. What are you doing? Wake up, smell the fucking coffee, and get real, because this club is in the shit. Edu's gone, or will be going, right? Good. Arteta needs to go damn quick, because I'm fed up with this bullshit I'm getting fed every single sodding day. This club is pathetic. A lot of the fan base are pathetic. There are a lot of fan channels out there, pathetic. Wake up. If you want to accept the failure that you're seeing, good luck to you. I don't. I expect to see, as we had that great show on Monday night, right, with that other guy, yeah, proper Arsenal chat we had there. No bullshit, no fake.
Mate, I've had a lot of emails, since then of proper Arsenal as well. Yeah.
I've seen the comments, man. I've been through them.
Yeah, I've had a lot of emails as well. I'm going to get a few more of them on during the international break. I'd like you to jump on. We will sort that offline because we need more people like us or like yourself, because you're obviously 2 decades above me, yeah, or near 2 decades, whatever. Yeah, and it's like we need more people like this to call it out, Jez. Yeah, because these happy clappers, all the younger lot that are in their 20s, they don't, number one, learn the history of our club. Number two, they just do anything to get traction and be liked on in there. And number three, you ask them any basic history on our football club, they flop. But they're all out here tonight crying about referees. Jez, real talk. How is it every time Arsenal lose a game, we blame the ref? Yeah, piss off. We lost because we lost, and they rested 5 of their best players, mate, because they're playing Antonio Conte's Napoli at the weekend. Antonio Conte, that our fan base told us is washed and finished. He's top of the league. So that manager tonight, who's a proper manager, proper coach, proper dark arts, proper defensive team that can counter attack. Yeah, that is the current champion. Got to a Champions League final. He's won 7 trophies or 6 trophies in 8 years or whatever with 2 clubs, Lazio and them. Right? He's about the same age. Well, 5 years older than Mikel, or 6 years older. Yeah, I sat there and gone, don't rate this lot. Yeah, as soon as they went 1-0 up, it was game over, mate. And it was a penalty. I don't care what anyone tells me.
It was a penalty. There's no question. Let's stop crying about penalties and referees. It's the easy, cheap girl school excuse. At the end of the day, we're shit, right? We got schooled tonight on how to defend. Kenny put it right. He said last night, I watched that show with Dan Potts and you were on it and all that. Yeah, he said, we go 1-0 down, we ain't going to score. Because they will shut it down and they can defend because they got proper defenders. I mean, I'm sorry, some of them players tonight in that Arsenal team were useless. Havertz, what are you doing? Trossard, where have you gone? Martinelli, where have you gone? I'm sorry, Lee, I'm saying to you right now, some of these players have had the ump. They got the ump with this manager and they're saying, nah, I don't want to play for you. I don't like what you're doing. We're not going anywhere. And you're just effing this club up. And that is the way it's going. It was shocking, man. Absolute crap. And I'm just done with it. I am done, dusted. And I admire any person that has a season ticket. Well, actually, let me just rephrase that. I admire people who've got a season ticket. But you lot, you are the ones that have got to step up and say, enough is enough.
Start doing it on the front line.
You on the trenches. You're there.
Yeah.
You are the ones that have got to say, no, this ain't good enough.
This is going to get nasty, though. This is going to get nastier than the Wenger in, Wenger out, mate. I was going back then, yeah. I know you turned yours in back then, yeah. But I was going right at the death of Wenger. I know you. What was yours? 2016. You turned it in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2017, 2000. Where you were going in that period where people were still punching each other up in it before you. Yeah.
It was happening.
Just that 17 and 18. Oh my days, mate! It got mad. Yeah, this is going to get even worse. And that's not what we want. Yeah, real talk. I'm just going to disclaimer that. That's not what we want. We want our club to be successful. However, this guy has wasted nearly 800 million of our club's money. The sporting directors walked out. Yeah, Jez, you've run businesses. Can somebody in a position of power like that just say, oh, here's my resignation, I'm walking out, bye-bye? No, you have to work a notice, right? Especially when you're in a corporate industry, yeah? This has been pre-planned. And he's had to work 2 or 3 months' notice, maybe 6 months' notice.
Probably.
Yeah. And guess what? Off of the back of that, the day he actually leaves, guess who came back to training, guys? Martin fucking Odegaard.
Yeah.
Everything leads into another one. Yeah. Edu leaves, but don't worry. Odegaard's back on grass. Yeah. The boy came on tonight, Ethan. And if you're watching, mate, fair play to you. You're one of our better players. Thomas Partey, Timber, and you. Well done. The rest was shit.
They were crap. Absolutely.
They were crap, mate. The rest of them was shit.
The thing
the goalkeeper had fuck all to do, to be fair.
You brought up a great point there, right? I would not be at all surprised if this Edu out thing's not been going on since August, July.
Soon as the window shut.
Before.
Maybe, yeah.
I reckon it's been going on before that. And he's like, just couldn't be asked. Didn't get the job done. I would not be at all surprised where he has been told, maybe, I said this to you the other day, the Cronkies may have said, you're not doing your business, look for another job.
Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Listen, we've got Chelsea at the weekend, mate. It's only going to get worse because that's going to be peak. But listen, we are going to wrap this up, guys. I'm going live on the emergency meeting. I've got Matty's fan cam coming up. Check out Kenny's. Excuse me. Check out mine. But Jez, always a pleasure, man. And shout your channel out, mate. Arsenal history and more. You do great bits on there. An international break. I know you want to sort it and revamp it and stuff like that. Just we'll sort that, but we'll talk offline about that. But shout your channel out. What you got coming up, Jez?
Yeah, Arsenal history more, mate. Tomorrow night, 6 o'clock, weekly footy chat show, and that'll be an interesting one. I won't lie. And I'll be inviting people onto that one, see if I can get on to Sue's about whatever. We talk about it. And yeah, I'm going to dig deep into the Edu thing because I've got my own theories on it, which I'm going to talk about. That's fact.
There you go. The link will be in the title, guys. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel. Make sure you check out all the fan cams, emergency meetings going live after Matty in about 10 minutes or so. And yeah, Cronky out.
Arteta out, prick.